Hey everyone, today we're diving into the CINDALOG Foam Roller, a 15-inch high-density back roller designed for deep muscle massage and full-body release. This lightweight yet durable foam roller features a hollow core with EVA tread and 3D wave textures that mimic a therapist's hands for effective deep tissue massage. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike, offering medium density that's comfortable even for those with lower back pain or plantar fasciitis. Made from premium EVA foam and PVC, it maintains shape under strong pressure for long-lasting use. Whether you're warming up, cooling down, or recovering, this roller boosts blood flow to flush out lactic acid and relieve muscle tension. Ideal for runners, athletes, yoga enthusiasts, and anyone wanting to improve flexibility and reduce muscle soreness. Plus, it's patented for quality and innovation, making it a smart addition to your fitness routine. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.